standing in the dense forest, if you hear these sounds, then you run away from there. Otherwise, you will not be able to come back alive from there. But before that, if you think my little cat is cute, then give a like to the video. Number 1. If you hear this sound while standing next to a water body, then you will move away from there, because this sound is a terrible crocodile sound. It can come in front of you at any moment. Number 2. If you hear these sounds in the dense forest, then you will climb up a tree there. These sounds are the calls of a group of hyenas.